Lot 30 Waterford Ridge. As you can see, we are on a cul-de-sac here. We have 1.22 acres of property, got a nice privacy area. There's a ravine that kind of runs between lot 30 and lot 29 here on the left side. That's going to also provide you with a nice bit of privacy. The build site is going to be directly behind me. We'll swing back around. Come here, you'll see you've got some beautiful mature hardwoods, a lot of oak trees on this property. You've got a perfect grade on this knoll to put the house. And what to me is most exciting about it is where the house is going to sit in the elevation. You're going to look right out over the top of this home to the right, to the lake. Not only to the lake, but the really nice mountain view that you'll have out there. So to get an interior lot like this that's going to have lake and mountain view is awesome. Not only that, but this comes with a boat slip. It's C13. It's out at the end of the run, very deep water boat slip. Very convenient as well. Not only that, is the location of Waterford Ridge. We are a short golf cart drive away from the Cabana, the Lighthouse Restaurant, and you're only about 10-12 minutes from the Ingalls. They're getting ready to build, or they are building right now, a new Publix right there off of Highway 130. So you're very convenient to the grocery stores. And from here, right where we're standing, the Main Street Greenville is about 45 minutes. So fantastic location. Let's head on a little bit deeper and look at the build site, and then we'll get over to the boat slip area. All right, here we are at the build site. Again, perfect elevation drop for a basement home. And if you look here, you can see from ground level of the basement, you still look over the top of the house, you pick up the mountains, you pick up the lake, but we're going to get above that because from the back deck, you're probably a good 15 feet higher than where I'm standing right now. The other thing is, you already have the houses on the adjacent properties, the one on the back side that's already in place, so you can see there's a ravine down through there. Other houses on the back side, so you have a lot of privacy on the back. You're going to have, as we talked about, more privacy on the left. As you will see, there's a ravine going down through the left side as well. So again, a perfect build site, and you've got this great view. Let's head on over to the boat slip area. We are at the boat slip run. It's the C run number 13 right below me, but right around this curve, if you go just behind these two docks, that is the cove where lot 30, the right pin comes right down to the back of that cove. So you could take your watercraft, if you needed to, run over to the cove, pull up in that cove and tie up, and run up to the back of your house for convenience. So how about that? That's another, I think, a great value to have with that particular piece of property. Certainly deep water, because we're out here at the very end of the slip. We're just around the corner from the Cabana restaurant out on the water, which is great. But you also have a nice swimming area here in this cove if you just want to come down and utilize this area for that. So if you have any interest in this property, give us a call, 800-682-9098, and enjoy the aerial video, and you'll really get a good look of just how close we are to the lot itself.